Hello everyone. Today's JavaScript challenge is all about Pronic numbers. These are special numbers formed by multiplying two consecutive integers like 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. We write a function to check if a number is Pronic or not. Let's break it down and get coding. Pronic numbers are created by multiplying two numbers that come one after the other. So 6 is Pronic because it's 2 times 3. We'll be testing if the input number matches this kind of pattern and return true or false based on that. We start by handling a special case. 0 is a Pronic number. Then, we take the square root of the number and check whether multiplying the floor and the ceiling of the root gives us the number itself. If it does, it is Pronic. This trick helps us catch values like 6, 12, and 110 efficiently. Let's walk through the process. We check if the number 0 is even. Otherwise, we get the square root and take both the floor and the ceiling. Why? Because Pronic numbers land between perfect squares and their square roots are non-integer. If floor times ceil equals a number, then it is a Pronic number. Let's see it in action. 6 gives us 2 times 3, which is 6, so true. 110 is 10 times 11, also Pronic. 200 will be between 14 and 15, but 14 times 15 is 210, so false. These tests show how the logic works. Just right. So, why do we care so much about Pronic numbers? Well, they're great for practicing number theory and algebra basics. You might also see them used in educational software or games with level progression based on number systems or patterns. They're not just cool, they're useful in learning and visualization. To sum it up, Pronic numbers follow a clear pattern. We've used that pattern to clearly and quickly check if a number qualifies. This was a great example of using math plus code to spot number patterns. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.